There's a free Google tool that most people are seriously sleeping on, and the ones who do know it are barely using 1% of what it can do. Its recent updates made it genuinely powerful. It's gone agentic, which just means it now does the actual work for you instead of only answering questions. In this one video, we run 13 tricks and every single one is free. We start with a single file and turn it into a whole stack of finished work. Then turn any creator's entire channel into your own private mentor and even spin your sources into 60-second learning videos. But the biggest unlock is Claude. We plug NotebookLM straight into it. So instead of clicking through menus, you just tell Claude what you want and it runs the whole thing for you almost completely on its own. And obviously I'll share every prompt, the sample files and the setup link for the Claude part in my WhatsApp community Staying Ahead. You can find the link in the description so that you can build along with me and end up mastering this tool. Now let's get into it. So here's what NotebookLM really is. Google now calls it your research and thinking partner. Earlier, it was basically a fancy PDF reader. You dump a document in and ask questions about it. Now it's a proper thinking partner running on Google's latest Gemini models. And here's the one thing that sets it apart. It answers only from what you give it, and it shows you exactly where every answer came from. People are using it to study from lecture recordings, textbooks and YouTube videos, to turn brainstorming notes into fresh ideas, to prep talks. There's a lot in here. So let's stop describing it and start using it. Let's open it up and click Create Notebook. Once we're in, we can name it up top. Now the important part, sources. This is the stuff NotebookLM reads before it answers you. And you're not stuck with PDFs. We can upload files, paste a website, drop a YouTube link, pull from Google Drive, or just search the web and let it find sources for us. Watch, let's paste a YouTube URL, hit insert, and it gets pulled straight in. Now, let's ask it something. Let's type in, how does Netflix earn money? And see this, it gives us two options, fast research and deep research. Fast research is the quick one, 10 to 20 seconds, and it's done. Deep research takes a couple of minutes and reads through hundreds of sources. Let's go fast for now. You can see it out there reading websites, and in a few seconds it comes back with 10 sources, a mix of different sites. We click import and all 10 get pulled in. Now our notebook has the context from every one of them. So now we just ask, let's type, how did Netflix disrupt traditional DVD rental and TV models? And we get the full answer. But look at these little numbers sitting inside the answer, 1, 2. You know what those are? Those are citations. Click one and it jumps you straight to the exact source. That line came from, that one was the YouTube video we added. So you're never just trusting the answer, you can see the receipt behind every sentence. That's the whole point of this thing. Subscribe if this is already saving you time. New AI breakdowns like this drop every single week. Let's ask, how has Netflix performed in the past 5 years financially? And this time we click deep research, then continue. Instead of answering right away, it stops and plans. It works out exactly what data it needs, then goes hunting across the whole web. This one takes a couple of minutes, and here's what's coming when it finishes. It doesn't read 5 articles the way you or I would. And when it's done, look, 32 sources found. It even splits them for us. 32 cited in the report, 38 it read but didn't cite. We hit import. Think about what we just built. That's basically a brain with deep knowledge of Netflix, pulled from all these sources, sitting in one place. There's one setting worth knowing before we move on, configure chat. Open it and you can point the whole notebook at a goal. Do research, help me learn, show me different perspectives, talk in a certain style. You can set it as a learning guide or write your own custom instruction. You can pick the answer length too, shorter or longer. Let's keep it shorter. Now, when we ask for a high-level overview of Netflix's business disruption, it pulls the answer from all those sources in the style we asked for. And here's a nice touch, you can get that same answer in different languages too. Okay, now the part that made me sit up. The studio. This is where the reading and answering turns into building. From this one pile of sources, it'll make an audio overview, a slide deck, a video overview, a mind map, reports, flashcards, a quiz, infographics, a data table. Let's build some. Start with the audio overview. When we open it, there's a little arrow and under it are the formats: brief, critique, debate, deep dive. Deep dive is the full one. You can also choose which sources it uses. Let's give it a direction. Analyze Netflix's shift from chasing subscriber growth to squeezing more profit per user. Now the video overview is ready. So before we go anywhere, let's check that output first. Let's actually play what it built and watch it together. It opens on the world's TV viewing time and points out that 5% of every minute humans spend watching TV belongs to Netflix alone. 325 million subscribers, a market cap near $400 billion. Then it tells the blockbuster story, the giant that laughed Netflix out of the room and then filed for bankruptcy a few years later. It even says Netflix itself nearly died in the dot-com crash. All of that narrated over clean visuals, and here's the number that matters. It built a 4.5-minute video for us. We can download it, we can share it. So if you're making content for YouTube or Instagram and you want something that looks cinematic, this is a real place to start. Remember, we also asked it for a slide deck. Let's open that. And wait, look at this. It follows the exact brand guidelines we gave it. Paradigm shift, unparalleled global reach, proper headings, a detailed explanation on each slide, even diagrams built from our sources. It made 25 slides, and we're not trapped inside NotebookLM with them. We can download the whole thing as a PDF or as a PowerPoint, or open it in Google Slides, hit import slides, pick the file we just downloaded, select all, import, and now every slide is sitting in Google Slides, ready for us to edit. That's the deck done. Same tool, next shape, and it moves faster now because you've got the pattern. A deck lives on a screen, but what if you want something people scroll past and still get? That's the infographic. We pick from around 10 styles, choose the language, choose the orientation, let's say portrait, then a visual style, let's go bento grid. We set the level of detail, pick our sources, and type what we want, an infographic for LinkedIn. And here it is. Netflix, the great pivot to profitability, the financial performance laid out, clean enough to post as is. We hit download and it's ready to go straight up on LinkedIn. Good for posting, but what if you actually need to remember this stuff for an exam or to sound sharp in a meeting? That's flashcards and a quiz. For flashcards, we choose how many cards and the difficulty. Let's keep it medium and ask for recent Netflix releases, and there they are. Which 2021 dystopian thriller? Flip the card, Squid Game. What was Netflix's biggest movie launch as of late 2021? Red Notice. You could genuinely play this with friends on a night in or use it to revise before an exam. The quiz works the same way. 10 questions, you can pull up hints, you can delete a question you don't like, make a fresh notebook with your own study material, and you've got an exam prep machine. That's revision sorted. And the last one in the studio, the data table. We asked for a Netflix comparison and it builds the whole thing. Revenue, margins, memberships, free cash flow, every number lined up in clean columns. Best part, one click sends it straight to Sheets, ready to fire off to anyone. So let's lock this in because it's the heart of the whole tool. You hand it one set of sources and out of that exact same pile, it builds a podcast, a video, a mind map, a report, a slide deck, an infographic, a table, flashcards, and a quiz. Same information, 9 different shapes, and that's only the studio. Everything so far has just reshaped what you gave it. Now it goes further. It starts thinking like a specific expert, and then it does a job you'd normally pay an analyst for. Here's something you can do with any creator or expert you actually learn from. For this one, we start next door in Gemini, Google's chat assistant, and anything it gives you drops straight into NotebookLM in a click. Let's use my own channel as the test. We type, can you explain prompt engineering the way Vaibhav Sisinty does on his channel? And we add from basic to advanced and send it, and look what it hands back. The PRD method, the magic markdown format, then loop engineering and how to structure a system prompt right down to the takeaway. Treat the AI like an absolute specialist. And here's the bit that matters. It didn't build that from one video, it pulled from a bunch of them. Now, how do we keep it? In the Gemini sidebar, we click Create New Notebook, which opens NotebookLM. Then we go back, click the 3 dots on the answer, choose Add to Notebook, and drop it into the empty one. Head over to NotebookLM, and there it is, and notice it named itself a Vaibhav Sisinty Masterclass on Systematic Prompting. One question, and you've got a mentor sitting in its own notebook. But let's not stop at one answer. Back in Ad Sources, choose YouTube and type the latest 20 videos from Vaibhav Sisinty's channel. It needs the actual channel. So open a new tab, search Vaibhav, grab the channel URL, and paste it back in. And see this, the Gemini chat from a minute ago is already sitting inside as a source too. Hit import and NotebookLM goes and fetches the whole channel. Give it a second and the videos land in the sources list. Now for the part they just launched. Open customized video overview, and where you used to only get cinematic and explainer, there's a new one called short. And this is real. Here's NotebookLM's own post announcing it. Turn your most complex sources into 60-second vertical videos rolling out for Ultra and Pro on mobile and web with free coming soon. So pick short, and out of these 11 sources, it read, choose the suggested topic Claude code secrets and hit generate. While it builds, here's why this is useful. When you want to learn something but you don't have time to search around, read the text or sit through the full video, you come here, pick your topic and get a short out of it. 60 minutes of learning in about 60 seconds. And it's not just channels. Any creator, any author, drop in their books or anything else and you can spin up a study guide or a guide for your own business in any niche you want. So it's ready. A short called How Claude Code Builds Apps. Let's play it. It walks through how these autonomous agents build a whole app from one plain English line, something like build a dark mode job application tracker, and how the agent writes a proper plan first so it doesn't just make things up. Pause it and look, 1 minute, 10 seconds with real motion graphics. Hit download, the MP4 comes down and it opens right up in QuickTime and plays fine outside the tool. Isn't that insane? People used to pay thousands of rupees for a single video like this. Right now, it's on the Pro and Ultra plans with free rolling out soon. And when you want to go deeper than the short, you just ask the notebook. Click give me 5 hacks for Claude Code and it answers. Then how do I create a custom skill for a project, and it lays it out step by step. Every answer built from all the sources you added. Quick one for the comments. Whose channel would you turn into your own personal tutor? Drop it below. Everything so far has been NotebookLM reading your stuff and reshaping it. This next part is different. The new NotebookLM actually does the work like an employee. Look at this spreadsheet. It's a disaster. Different currencies, empty rows, spelling mistakes, the kind of sales export from Shopify or Amazon that ruins your whole afternoon. The old way, you open Excel and lose 2 hours cleaning it by hand. Here's what's different now. Every notebook comes with its own little computer in the cloud, so it can write and run real code by itself to fix this. So instead, we upload the mess and type one plain line. Clean this data up, fix the currencies, and show me monthly sales as a chart. And here's the part that matters. It doesn't guess. It writes actual code and runs the real math on a real computer. You can watch it thinking, standardizing the currencies, working out exchange rates, checking the numbers. It's doing the job of an analyst while you sat back and typed one sentence. And there's the result. A clean sales data file and the monthly chart we asked for, January through June, built straight from the numbers. We can download both. It also comes with over 100 built-in skills, so it can hand you the finished work as a PDF, a Word doc, an Excel sheet, or a PowerPoint, whatever you need. You can even publish it straight to files. The old NotebookLM described your document. This one rolls up its sleeves and does the work. Last thing, and this is the power user move. You can connect NotebookLM to Claude, so you just talk to it in plain English and it does all the NotebookLM work for you. And you will not touch a single line of code, promise. First we make a folder, call it my note. Then there's a ready-made connector someone already built for exactly this. You just have to copy that link, paste it into Claude and type run this setup. You give it permission to run, so it's not asking you at every step, and you let it work. A minute later, it's connected, and now Claude can drive NotebookLM for you in plain English. So let's test it. We ask Claude, how many notebooks do we have? It answers, 1, the Tesla one. We deleted another a minute ago and it knows that too. Then the real thing. We ask it to create a new notebook and research AI's impact on jobs, pull the latest research, the Anthropic report, that 2027 report, and find what's common across them and what the job market looks like ahead. It kicks off a deep web research run and imports the sources on its own. Give it a few minutes. Then we open the notebook, AI's impact on jobs research. Every source it found is in there, a full report written, notes made. And when we ask for a comparison chart across different sectors, it builds a clean one, a full sector breakdown by risk, key figures, and near-term outlook. From there, one click and it'll turn the whole thing into a podcast. That's Claude and NotebookLM working as one. So there it is, 13 tricks, and you just went from barely touching NotebookLM to running the whole thing like a pro. Now, if you want to go deeper, we've got 2 free courses for you on our channel. One on Claude, one on every free Google tool out there. Both links are in the description and on your screen right now. Go watch them. If this finally made NotebookLM click for you, subscribe. I drop a fresh AI breakdown like this every week, and I'll see you in the next one.